dolls, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a super duper exciting video. I'm going to be showing you guys my brand new Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis bag that I bought all for myself with my own money earned from blogging. So I'm super duper proud of myself, and this was just kind of my own present to myself for success, and also my birthday's in a few days, so that's another excuse. But I did already do like the main unboxing of it and I looked at it, but I wanted to show it to you guys and also do kind of a what's in my bag and transfer everything over from my other purse to this new purse, which is my main one now. And it is in the color Rose Powder, which is the prettiest name and prettiest color ever. And then I'm also going to style it into a few different outfits and just kind of show you guys how I would style the bag. Alright, so here is the bag in its little duster. And I found this bag from watching a video from Freddie My Love, and she bought the bag on her trips to France, and I saw it throughout the whole video and I could not get it off my mind, so I figured this was going to be my bag that I bought myself, and I'm so excited, guys. So let me show you. It's the most perfect color of pink in the whole world. Yes, it is so pretty. Oh my gosh, and I just love how like squishy and plush feeling it is. Here's the side and the back, which I love this little zipper closure. Everyone always says that. Well, I watched a whole bunch of reviews. There aren't that many reviews on it. But the ones that I did watch, they're all like, oh, this back zipper pocket, and I totally agree, it's perfect for phones. But oh my gosh, so I will show you the inside too, because that is one of my favorite parts of it. So here is the inside, and it is equally as cute as the outside because of the cute pink stripes, and it matches. It's so pretty, I love that. And then also there is the strap, which I will attach because I always wear everything crossbody, and it looks super cute this way as well. And this is probably how I'm going to be wearing it most of the time because this is just how I wear my bags usually. But I'm very, very excited to style it for you guys and put it into some outfits because it's going to be so gorgeous. I mean, it already is so gorgeous, but it looks so cute in outfits. But first, let me get my other purse and we are going to transfer to my new purse. So this is the main purse that I have been using pretty much most of the time. I know you guys know that I have the white Chanel top handle purse, but that one is white and I don't typically make my white purses my everyday purses just because of the wear and tear on white, and I'm afraid to wear them with jeans. So I usually like to do other colors like pink, but we are going to transfer all the contents to my new bag. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to transfer over is my Michael Kors wallet, and it actually matches this bag perfectly, but I still love the crap out of this wallet and it'll look cute in this one too. And then I also have my Kate Spade sunglasses, which I keep in this pink velvet Miu Miu one. So my sunglasses come with me, especially in the summer, but it's spring right now. Still have my sunglasses on me all the time. And then I have, of course, my keys right here. I always keep a little scrunchie or something on me. This one's super extra and it's pink velvet, but I got it from eBay. It's very, very cute. And that's just in case I like forget a hair tie on my wrist or something. I try and keep them off my wrists just because it's not the best look. So I'm just gonna put that in the front pouch right here. And then also I have little tissues just because I don't like getting caught without a tissue if I need one. Mints, where do I want to put that? And then I also almost always carry a little water bottle. This is one thing that's sometimes hard to fit in purses. So let's see how it does. If I just put it here maybe. So I'm just going to put the water bottle in the main compartment, put my wallet on top of my sunglasses, and I'm going to keep my keys in the front pouch with my tissues and scrunchie. And then in the back pouch I have like my little mints, and then I'm also going to put like this little lip gloss lip color thing in the back pouch with the mints. And I'm also just going to test out this zipper pocket on the back here, which has the same cute stripey inside. And my phone fits perfectly, and it is so satisfying. I love that pocket. All right, so it is now all full of all of my contents to go out in life. And I am going to now style it into outfits, and I will be right back. Okay, so we are going to try on 3 outfits. One of them is casual, semi-fancy, and fancy, and they all go with my new Pochette Metis perfectly. So first, I'm going to try on the casual one for you. So these are my current favorite mom jeans, and I got them from Cotton On. They're size 4, but I DIY'd the waist to fit, just so you know. And then I'm also going to put this pink top on, and then my accessories. I have to remove my earrings that I have in now, which are silver, and I'm gonna have to get used to wearing gold jewelry because I almost always wear silver. But I have these gold hoops, and then I also have a rose gold watch as well, and then just a pair of my white pearl Adidas sneakers, and then of course my new purse. And this is like the type of outfit that I would wear to the mall in like the spring/summertime, and I love wearing sneakers, and I just love that the pinks match, and I just feel so casual and cozy, and I will probably wear this outfit today. Okay, so next I'll be trying on the semi-fancy outfit for you guys. This is the bodysuit that I'm going to be wearing, and it's actually a one-piece swimsuit from Sassy Swimwear, and it is absolutely the most amazing quality ever. And it has these cute little ties. And I'm just going to put these black pants over it. And then I'm also going to put on this little heart necklace and these little black satin flats. So if it's warm enough outside, this is the finished look. If it is not cold, with my little flats. But if it is warm outside, I would wear this pink fuzzy cardigan with it. And this is if it's just a little bit colder. But you could wear this outfit out shopping and stuff like the other one, but it's just a little bit more fancy, and you could wear it maybe meeting someone new or something like that. It's just a little bit more on the fancy side. And then I could also wear it down like this. So this one I'm going to be doing a blue dress with this white flowy ruffle cardigan. And then I have these pink suede heels from House of CB that are like my most favorite coveted heels in my collection. And they actually match almost identical to the purse, so I'm really excited about that. And then of course the purse. And this is the last and completed look. And I just love that the heels go with the purse and match so well. And I feel like baby blue just goes so beautifully with this bag. So I'm really excited about that because I'm really loving baby blue for the summer. And that is all of the looks. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video all about my new Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis in rose powder. I'm just in love with it. Also, let me know if you have any other video suggestions for me down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Love you guys, and I will see you next time.